Hi, I'm here with the Hussman Institute for Autism, and today we are talking about constructing competence. Constructing competence often means thinking creatively about how you can restructure an activity so that the person you're supporting can participate in a way that is built on their strengths and that is meaningful to them. We were working on a painting project in our art program, and one boy was having the best time pouring water on the table and splashing his cup of dirty paint water everywhere. It was clear that the water was much more exciting to him than was the paint. Rather than trying to push him to do something he wasn't interested in, we followed his lead and asked if he would like to be in charge of all of the other participants' water cups, rinsing out their dirty cups of paint water and their paint palettes and refilling their water cups. He loved this idea and immediately jumped into his new role. He was humming to himself, smiling, and checking in with his peers. This change in his role in the activity made all of the difference, as he was participating in a way that worked for his strengths and interests and brought him a lot of joy. He could still enjoy the class environment and being around friends while just participating in a slightly different way.